is going on, guys? Noah Brewer here, back again with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing you my new apartment. We got this beautiful view, but yeah, it's good. You know, I like it. I think it's, you know, the view is really beautiful, and it's a nice little quiet place for me and my girl. But definitely a decent investment. You know, it's about $1,000 a month, so it's not a lot, but definitely, like, since I'm trying to stack for real estate, I was just kind of crashing with my parents for free. But you know, this is definitely a step up from that. You know, good vibes. We got a nice view. I'll try to cut to a scene where I show that. Yeah, so yeah, definitely got a good vibe to it. It's gonna be a good feeling having my own desk, my own space, just to focus and work on 10xing this year, because there's a lot of things that I need to do this year, and there's not a lot of time. It's already been a month through the year, which is crazy to me because it feels like New Year's Eve was just yesterday. But let's just go through the house tour. Welcome to the forest. Chameleons, little guys. Amazing. So yeah, we just got like a nice little kitchen over here, and I got the window open because it's hella nice out. But there's like a cage here for some reason. I'm not sure exactly what that's for, but we got the view coming out of here. Now if I walk over to the bathroom, you can see another view right when I hop out the shower. Now it's pretty messy in here because I've been busy moving for the past week. A lot of stuff to organize and put together, but yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. I mean, I'm gonna put my desk right here so that when I'm filming, you know, we can have the view in the background. See if I can focus. So yeah, that's gonna be a dope spot to film. We got the pets over here. So yeah, that's the place. Like, if you know me, then you know that, like, I don't have a couch or anything. Like, I don't really need any of that. But yeah, all I was saying is all that I need is a bed, a kitchen, and a desk where I can work, and that's it. So yeah, just a quick little video to show you guys the new place. That's it for now though. I mean, it's pretty small, there's not a lot to show, but I mean, obviously the view is amazing, the desk spot is gonna be great. But I mean, I'll probably do an update once I have my desk in here and everything's settled in, because everything's pretty busy right now. I just know a lot of you people wanted to see what kind of stuff I was working with. But yeah, that's it for this video. This is Noah Brewer, and I'm out. Peace.